Hello there. Welcome to the AZ Informer. Today, my question is, how to get rich with Bitcoin even. If you have no clue about technology, yes, you heard me right. You can do it, or maybe not. Inside the Crypto Quantum Leap members area you'll learn. Who really created Bitcoin? The answer will surprise you. Who really controls the Bitcoin network? The surprising answer is why the Bitcoin network is by far the most secure ever created. The one security risk you absolutely must know about, I'll show you exactly how to avoid it. How the total supply of Bitcoin will never allow crazy money printing and multi-trillion-dollar bailouts in the crypto world, so your investment will hold its value. The secret of Satoshis, how Bitcoin's divisibility enables Bitcoin to become the standard for anything from tiny microtransactions to billion-dollar transfers. The 7 fiat currencies have already lost out to Bitcoin. And why this is only the beginning. The differences between the two types of crypto wallets. Which one is more secure? Which one is more user-friendly? You'll learn the secrets that took me years to figure out, without making costly mistakes. How to back up your crypto wallet in case something happens to your computer. Your assets will be safe no matter what happens. The two types of crypto exchanges and when to use each one. Why Bitcoin is bulletproof against hackers, spyware, and secret backdoors so you can sleep soundly at night knowing your assets are safe. The 4 ages of money, why we're on the cusp of the largest financial transformation in history. And why this is the biggest opportunity in your lifetime to create obscene amounts of wealth. The 3 functions of money and why an imminent upgrade coming soon to blockchain technology will provide the last missing function. This will change everything. And you'll want to be invested before this upgrade takes effect. And much more. Let's find out the surprising wealth-building secret of a globe-trotting vagabond by clicking on the given link in the description. But, before you click on the link and leave me here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.